In a deep magical forest called the Forest of Shadows lived a family of foxes. The fox family was known for their intelligence and cunning, but each member had a flaw that kept them from reaching their full potential. There was Father Fox, who was the smartest of all, but he was too proud. He often boasted about his cleverness, never listening to others. Mother Fox was very kind, but she worried too much. She was always afraid of what might go wrong, which kept her from enjoying the present. Then there was Little Fox, their young son. He was curious and eager to learn, but he was also impatient. He wanted to be the best at everything right away, and when he couldn't, he would give up. One day, the Fox family heard about a hidden treasure deep within the Forest of Shadows. It was said that whoever found the treasure would be granted a wish, but the journey was full of challenges that would test the heart and mind. "Let's find the treasure," said Little Fox, his eyes gleaming with excitement. "Yes," agreed Father Fox, "but I'm sure I'll be the one to solve all the puzzles." Mother Fox, on the other hand, was hesitant. "What if something terrible happens to us? What if we get lost?" But they all decided to go, hoping that the treasure would help them with their flaws. As they ventured deeper into the forest, they encountered their first challenge, a wide, rushing river with a narrow, slippery log as the only bridge. "I'll go first," said Father Fox confidently. But as he stepped onto the log, he didn't pay attention to the slippery surface. "I'm too smart to fall," he thought. But his pride led him to slip, and he nearly fell into the river. Luckily, he caught himself just in time. "This is harder than I thought," admitted Father Fox, humbled. "Maybe I should have been more careful." Next, they faced a dense, dark thicket full of thorns. Mother Fox began to worry. "What if we get stuck? What if we can't find our way out?" "Don't worry, Mother," said Little Fox. "We can do this together." Mother Fox took a deep breath and focused on the path instead of the dangers. Slowly they made their way through the thicket, helping each other along the way. Finally, they reached the entrance to a cave where the treasure was hidden. But before they could enter, they had to solve a riddle carved into a stone. The riddle read, "I grow with patience, shrink with haste. I am a gift and never waste." Little Fox was eager to solve it first. "It's time! It's time!" he shouted. But as he rushed to answer, he became frustrated. "Slow down, Little Fox," said Father Fox gently. "Think carefully." Little Fox took a deep breath and thought about the riddle. "It's time," he finally said, smiling. "Time grows when we are patient, and it's wasted when we rush." The stone door opened, revealing the treasure, a beautiful golden hourglass. Father Fox, Mother Fox, and Little Fox each realized that the real treasure wasn't the hourglass, but the lessons they had learned. Father Fox understood the importance of humility. Mother Fox learned to be brave and present, and Little Fox discovered the value of patience. As they walked home, they felt lighter and happier, knowing that they had overcome their flaws together. And from that day on, the Forest of Shadows became known as the Forest of Light, for the foxes had brought their newfound wisdom to every corner of it. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to see more stories like this one. See you all next time.